This question is to find the explicit expression and domain of a function, given a complex functional equation. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Thank you so much. Find the explicit expression of the function f of x if f of open parenthesis fraction 3x plus 1 over x minus 2 close parenthesis equals x plus 4. Also, state the domain of f. First step, substitution. Let y equal the fraction of 3x plus 1 over x minus 2. Then the left-hand side becomes f of y, and we now need to express x in terms of y. Next step, solve for x in terms of y. Multiply both sides by open parenthesis x minus 2 close parenthesis. That gives y times open parenthesis x minus 2 close parenthesis equals 3x plus 1. Expand and rearrange. Y times x minus 2y equals 3x plus 1. Move all terms containing x to one side to collect them together. Yx minus 3x equals 2y plus 1. Factor out x. That gives x times open parenthesis y minus 3 close parenthesis equals 2y plus 1. Now divide both sides by open parenthesis y minus 3 close parenthesis to get x equals the fraction of 2y plus 1 over y minus 3. Next step, substitute back into the right-hand side. Since the original equation says f of y equals x plus 4, we now replace x with the expression we just found. So f of y equals the fraction of 2y plus 1 over y minus 3 plus 4. Then, next step, simplify. To combine the terms, bring them over a common denominator of y minus 3. This means we rewrite the numerator as 2y plus 1 plus 4 times open parenthesis y minus 3 close parenthesis. Expanding the numerator gives 2y plus 1 plus 4y minus 12. Combine like terms to get 6y minus 11 in the numerator. Therefore, f of y equals the fraction of 6y minus 11 over y minus 3. After that, next step, replace y with x. Finally, we write the function in terms of x again. So f of x equals the fraction of 6x minus 11 over x minus 3. Next step, domain discussion. Because the denominator x minus 3 cannot be 0, we must exclude x equals 3 from the domain. Thus, the domain of f is all real numbers except x equals 3. Also, note that in the original substitution, y equals fraction of 3x plus 1 over x minus 2. X cannot equal 2, but that restriction applies to the input variable of f, not to f of x itself. Whenever you meet a functional equation where the argument of f is a rational expression in x, the smart strategy is to first invert that rational expression, find x in terms of y, and only then substitute it back. Never just replace it with x directly. Final answer. F of x equals the fraction of 6x minus 11 over x minus 3, and x is not equal to 3. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.